Once we have game objects in the scene, we can then use them to create something that makes more sense. And the way to do that is to manipulate them. I'll show you 3 different manipulations. We have move, rotate, and scale. So the way we do that is we basically just change the tools up here where I'm highlighting my mouse. You also have shortcuts W, E, and R. So I'll just show you how to do the movement. It's very easy. What I recommend is we just use the widgets. So if you were to highlight over the arrow, it'll move that object in that particular axis. It's a lot easier than just doing freeform movement. Okay, now rotation, we can also do a similar thing. We just go to rotation mode. It's probably not a good idea to rotate the sphere because it's difficult to see the rotation on a sphere. But yes, we can do it on a cube. So you can see that if we rotate it on that arc, it'll rotate it on that axis. In a similar way, we can also scale the object on different axes. So we'll just go to scale mode. So if we just scale it on the y-axis, it'll just do the y-axis. And if we scale this object from the middle, it will do something called a universal scale, which scales it across all the axes. Okay.